Alright y'all, it's been over a year since I touched this bike, and today I was finally ready to ride. Except King is completely dead, like won't even crank, and that's when we noticed water damage, corrosion, and a mess. So now, instead of riding, we're on a mission to bring this Road Glide back to life. Battery replacement, deep clean, and a full inspection. Let's get to work.
And a little bit more. They don't know how you like it.
Woo! What's up, y'all? Listen, QueenSit back with a video. Shout out to y'all for subscribing. Shout out to y'all for liking videos. Shout out to y'all for still watching the videos even when I took this break. But guess what? We back now, and we finna start this first video with reviving King. This is my 2019 Road Glide. I got T-Mac back here. A straight blessing today, y'all, because my bike is in horrible condition. So this is actually like we're gonna call this like a restoration project.
Restoration, yeah.
Okay, this is a project. We got a 2019 Road Glide that's been neglected, okay? That's my fault, okay? It wasn't even that long. That's why I'm confused on why it looks this bad. The last time I rode King was, what month was that when I was going out to Springfield to ride with y'all?
That was almost a year ago.
Oh, dang, so it's been a year.
Yeah.
It's been a year.
July 24.
Really? It's been that long?
Yep. You want to...
Boom, y'all. So look. Oh, I've been looking for them jumper cables. Okay, so thankfully T-Mac pulled up on me. Okay, he's riding a... What you riding?
2021 Road Glide.
2021 Road Glide. Black Adam is the name of his bike. We met at work. You watched the channel before.
I do.
So we already connected, okay? So I said, hey, you want to come over and help me get my bike? I didn't know it was this bad. So shout out to, hey y'all, shout out to T-Mac. If it wasn't for him right now, QueenSit wouldn't ride a bike all summer because this would be too much for me. But look, he not scared to touch nothing. He just grabbed gloves out. I have to throw everything away. I just lost my rain suit. Harley gave me that. I just lost, man, I lost my Willie G drawings book, which is really a precious book, but it got water damage. Can't revive that. Everything in this pal has to go. So we got Harley-Davidson gloves, we got my Baccarat perfume, everything must go. So T-Mac, do we have
any tools?
Oh, we gotta get all of that off.
Yeah.
Okay, I do have tools. I'm gonna go to the van. I got the piece that go on the outside, I think, and we're gonna have to say King.
Okay, yeah, we can do that. Yeah.
Okay.
That'd be called a socket.
Yep, socket. Great. Y'all, look at this. This looks like mold on there. I'm gonna have to go through and clean all of this off with bleach, and I don't even know what else.
This can come off those screws there, and then wash that.
Okay.
And yeah, clean that out with some bleach. What's this? Oh, that's for your...
That's the speaker.
Where your amp is?
Yeah, something.
Or...
I gotta go through and get all of that, y'all. Hopefully, fingers crossed, if we get the bike started today, which I'm hoping we do, I'm hoping the speakers work, because it was a lot of water in there, and I'm not too confident that my speakers are going to work, and that's going to be bad. But you know what? I'm going to stay positive. Hopefully it didn't touch the speaker wires, and it's going to be good to go. So right now, let's go see if we got a tool, a socket, to hit the battery out so that T-Mac can help me jump it. Once we get this bike up and running, I got to go to a car wash. T-Mac, you going to go to the car wash with me?
Yeah, my bike is dirty.
Okay, we're going to slide by the car wash, y'all, so stay tuned for that. And, man, I just can't believe it's this bad, y'all. I'm distraught a little bit. I'm not gonna lie, I didn't expect it to be this bad, so I'm kind of disappointed. And my bike has sat outside all of these years. This is nothing new for my bike. But the problem is, we're in the back of the van right now. So what I expected was just to have to wash my bike. I expected it to be dirty, but I did not expect this. This is bad. I gotta be better than this. All right, stay tuned. I think this is it.
Yeah, that's good. See that right by you?
Operation restore this bike. Get the saddlebag dry. Get the saddlebag clean. Throw the items away that were inside the saddlebag, gain access to the battery, jump the motorcycle, put the battery back. Oh wait, I don't even think we have to take that off to jump the battery. Yeah.
Negative here, positive is over here, but I can't get to that without. So
one time I had to get the jump back because you know they plugged it right here somewhere.
yeah, they probably hooked to. Give me that one.
That
you had
right
it on
there.
here?
Yeah.
That was the red. And then the other one was just on one of these?
Yeah, I believe so. So we trying this, y'all. We gonna put the red over there, black over there.
But you got lights up here.
You see lights?
Yep.
All right, y'all. We got a little action. We got lights blinking. Okay. It's always a great sign. How long do you think you gotta sit on there?
I see. I think this is one of those that's a quick jump.
Okay. Let me get out the way. Let me get out the way. All right, y'all. I found my key fob. I had lost that for a minute. We just got it connected. Shout out to T-Mac. Moment of truth.
No.
Oh.
Wasn't enough.
Dang.
We waited too long.
You got Mr. Mac out her work.
Oh, here we go. Here we go.
Moment of truth, y'all. Oh. Mom, it's mold. Look. That's white mold. My saddlebag was cracked on the left side and water was getting in. Really? So there's a puddle of water in there and everything over there is damaged that I need.
Here we go again.
Moment of truth, y'all. Rev it. Oh. Gotta be quicker than that. Just kidding. Oh. Y'all, without T-Mac, I couldn't do this. I'm telling you. Ooh, it must just be weak. What do you think of like a overnight charger? Fix it, or you think it's just losing connect? You want me to hold it? Yep.
You
I got some gas. Nope.
No, girl, you empty.
It's empty?
Yes.
Yeah, and then to make matters worse,
Oh, let me see.
I don't have any gas.
Yeah.
I done probably rode it home on a road trip on E, and the gas evaporated. Can the gas evaporate?
No.
No, never mind.
It'll just go bad.
So you think the battery's good? It just need gas?
Yeah. Yeah.
Cause nothing's in there.
No. I don't know if that
Y'all,
empty.
like nothing. When you shake it, ain't nothing moving.
We got an M and a T together. Empty.
Oh. Y'all, I'm the worst bike owner of the year.
Yes, you are.
Worst bike owner of the year.
Yes.
Oh shoot! I know my mom ain't got no gas can. Let me ask. So I just need gas.
You know what?
Okay, quick update. The bike is not starting because I don't have gas. Okay, so next step. This is like a 10-point checklist at this point. Next step, we're gonna try to see if we can find a gas can in a garage, and then we're going to put gas in there, and then hopefully we are ready to start the day. Okay. All right, y'all. We in action. Operation Go Get Gas now. When I say today is crazy, it's crazy. It doesn't get more crazier than this. So we in summer school right now. So at school, we met, right? He like, hey, I watch your videos. You know, he support the QueenSit channel. So I'm like, cool, this my family right here. So we hit it off, all right? So we at work, and this has turned into something so crazy. All we were supposed to do today was go to my mom's house, jump my bike, and let's ride. Let's head out and let's ride somewhere. We get there and all of these issues happen. But I will say, T-Mac is good people, y'all, because without him, I promise you, bro, Without T-Mac right now, none of this is possible. Like, I wouldn't be able to do it by myself. I wouldn't have been able to get the molded motorcycle gloves out of the saddlebag. Like, he is amazing. He put plans into action, so we good to go. So right now, I'm in my mom's car. I didn't feel like driving a van. It was it's too much. So my mom already knew. She like, take my car, go get some gas. I just borrowed a gas can from a neighbor down the street. I live in a great, my mom lives in a great community. We lived there many years. I grew up there, and everyone's super friendly, and we all look out for each other. So went down there. He gave me a gas can, and right now I'm headed to the gas station. I'm going to get 1 gallon of gas. T-Mac said that's all we need. We just need to get the bike running. Okay. So what I predict is we're gonna see what happens. But what I think is we're gonna grab this gas, jump the bike. The bike is gonna start. Let it run. I have to rinse the bike off. I could not ride it with all of this dirt and stuff on it. I just can't. It's gross. And we're gonna have to go to a car wash. And he said his bike is dirty, so we finna bring King back to life because this is crazy. And like I was telling y'all earlier, this is not new for my bike. What side is the gas can on the right? This is not new. Like, my bike has sat outside since I bought it. Except for when I lived in a loft one time. One of my lofts had a garage. But other than that, it's never been a problem. But after today, I'm gonna have to go ahead and get a garage. And probably pay for a garage or something. I don't even know. A lot of y'all said I need to trail my bike on the van. That's a great idea too. That's a talk for another day. But I will say, that seems like a lot of work. Because the way I park, I'm very stealth on the road. I park anywhere. And my bike right on the back when I go to work and stuff, it's just a lot. So I don't know. Anyway, I'll be back.
Press down.
Alright, guys. Let's see if we can get some action.
I'm gonna get on the other side.
Okay. Girl, I'm over it. This is supposed to be a quick little ride, baby.
Yep.
This is a restoration project.
Push forward, press down.
Oh, I hear it. It might be alright. Look at this. Whoa. Who mail is that? Oh yeah, I forgot to tell y'all, I had lost my key fob back in Milwaukee the last trip because it broke off. So if anybody got a key fob keychain out there, send it to me. Alright, we just put some gas. We just put gas in there. So we're gonna see. Okay,
ready?
Yeah. Time. Y'all be so close but so far away.
That might be not enough to
juice. Oh y'all, we brought the big generator out. So that generator's for my van. And hopefully this one will get the job done.
Hey, I need to let y'all know that she not just having me out here working. She taking care of her brother.
Yeah!
Alright.
How is it? Cold.
Delicious. Stella.
This is not sponsored.
Oh yeah. Alright. So
is it, once it's plugged up, is it a green light on the handle like yours?
on here, yeah.
Alright.
Uh-oh. We didn't get that at first.
Let's go! Oh. It's like I get hype and then I go down. This saddlebag was fine because I sealed it correctly.
it wasn't enough. Look at that. You can't see nothing in there.
All right, y'all. Look like I might gotta go back to the gas station. No, it just seems like it's not strong enough.
So, is this a charger also?
No.
Just a jumper.
Yep. Woo! Hey y'all, thank you for watching the vlog. If you made it to the end, shout out to you. I appreciate it. Right now, I am at work. I'm a summer school PE teacher and I'm in the garden. But listen, we are on the road to 100,000 subscribers. All right, I've been sitting at like 60,000 subscribers and I never really cared about subscribers, but since I'm like going on this whole van life, YouTube, motorcycle journey, I'm like, what the heck, let's start our first challenge, y'all. So the challenge is to get us to 100,000 subscribers. So share this video with somebody you know, like, turn your notifications on, and I always run into people who say that they watch my videos but they never subscribe. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and guess what, y'all, I'm gonna see y'all on part 2 so y'all can see what happened to the motorcycle. And honestly, this is just the day after, so nothing has happened yet, but today we are headed up to the dealership. So stay tuned, baby. It's going down. Let's go.